Welcome to another video on Andrew's PC. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently remove the Activate Windows watermark for free. So if you don't have a Windows license key and you want to remove this watermark, make sure you stay till the end of this video. Welcome once again to Andrew's PC. If you are new to my channel, I teach PC users how to do cool stuffs and effectively use their PC. So do well to stay tuned to my channel by subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new videos. So to permanently remove Activate Windows watermark, you click Windows R on your keyboard. Windows R. Then delete whatever you see and type REGEDIT. Then you click OK. You can find this in the description below. Check this, click yes. Okay, so first up, you expand HK local machine. Then expand system. Then expand current control set, which is here. Come down here. Okay, you expand services. Then we look for SVC. Can open this a bit. SVC. Okay, so that's it. Click on it. Then we'll go to start, we'll right click on it, go to modify. Then whatever value data you see here, make sure it's 4. Then you click on OK. Then you exit and restart your PC. Restart your PC. So finally, the Activate Windows watermark is removed. So that's all easy. So give a thumbs up to my channel. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions on content you want to see, leave it in the comment section below as I will try to review each one of them. If you want to learn more about Microsoft applications and other cool stuff you can do free on your PC and on the internet, stay tuned to my channel as I'll be releasing more contents.